If you intend to import data into Express 365 cloud accounting software but got confused by the template itself, here's a tips for you. The template I'm going to use today is the customer's template. So some of the columns here are optional, some of them are mandatory. So to know which is mandatory and which is optional, the best way is to go into the module itself. Those that are labeled in red are mandatory, so you need to fill out these 4 mandatory items into the template itself. Okay. Next, if you do not know what information to fill in, for example, the default currency, you can just copy paste from the system itself and paste it over in the appropriate field. Same goes to the control account. Control account means that if the customer owes you money, it will go into your account receivable, which is your debtors control account. So if you want it to be into the debtors control account instead of the others debtors, you can just copy and paste it over here. Same go for your payment terms. Payment terms, instead of this payment term, you might have others payment term. Let's say for example, I name it as 30 days instead. So you need to have it in the system itself before you import it. So you copy and paste over here once the system itself have the data. Okay, so these are the tips for today.